Kathleen from Passenger Shaming.
And I'm Matt Barnes from Rogue Aviation.
And this is the first video in a 5-part series called
Helicopter Etiquette 101.
Okay, Matt, so I'm curious. So obviously I'm used to working or flying on larger aircraft.
Sure.
What's different? So give me some differences.
One of them is space, and that brings us to rule number 1. Don't push my buttons.
So what do you mean by don't push my buttons?
Well, I'm not talking about my buttons so much, but if you are flying in a helicopter and you're sitting in the front, you're sitting actually next to me, your pilot. And so you actually have access to these buttons here. And one of the things I like to tell people is, you don't know what they do. And so to assist in keeping us alive, maybe don't push them. Like this.
What did that do? No, don't touch that! We're gonna die!
Okay, so did that ever happen to you?
That exact thing hasn't happened to me, but something similar happened like this.
Look at the way!
And that one did happen, yeah.
Okay. Were they banned?
Yeah, no, because it was my wife. Yeah, no, so she doesn't fly anymore. No, she's not allowed in the helicopter anymore. Well, that's it for this episode of Helicopter Etiquette 101, but we're going to be back with more episodes to come.
I'm excited.
Make sure you're following Rogue Aviation for all the best helicopter content.
And Passenger Shaming on Instagram for all the airplane grossness. I don't know.
Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.